Hi guys, welcome back to the Clark's Cavan YouTube channel, where we do give walkthroughs of all the different machines that we'd stock here. So this day in particular I'm going to do a video on a BX261 Kubota compact tractor, and this here is new. Brief spec of it: it is a 26 horsepower 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. It is also fitted with grass tyres, comes as standard, so mid and rear PTO is also on it as standard, so does give you the option to fit a deck on the back of it, and also you can put, say, a topper or a finishing mower on the back. So a traditional customer possibly for a BX261 would be somebody that is doing large areas of grass and does fit a deck either on the back or in the middle, obviously with mid or rear PTO. Okay, so grass tyres is also there for that option.
What other type tyres can you get here?
Well, you can also get agri tyres as well. So if it was agri tyres that you were interested in, that can also be arranged if it wasn't grass cutting or something like that in particular that you weren't doing. As you can see there, it is also loader ready with your joystick, so very handy. Can give you the option of a small wheel loader, as you can see there on the toggle. 4-wheel drive is also on it. It is fully hydrostatic, so that is a great benefit for loader work. So it's literally just a case of forward and your reverse, and 2 ranges from your hair to your tortoise, and then neutral in the middle. So if it was quick, easy loader work, it's just forward and reverse. Very easily done. It's the exact same as a lawnmower, so it's basically just a larger lawnmower, or maybe a more versatile lawnmower, so you can obviously put hydraulics on the back or anything that may be. So speaking of hydraulics, you can see a Rinieri BRM 120 compact tractor hedge cutter fitted on the back. That is also brand new here. 1.2 metre cutting width and an 18-foot heighting on it. Just worked on your double acting valve at the back, and obviously attached to your 3-point linkage. 1.2 metre cutting width, as I said. Your control box is right beside you on your right hand side, so everything is very ergonomic. So you can sit up, everything is all to your side, so all controls can be done like that. I will show you now in a brief second. So neutral, tortoise to your hair, so 2 different ranges. Loader ready, so does give you that option. Obviously then your arms, your linkages, etc. is all done through here. To engage your PTOs is all done through here also. So that's to activate your rear PTO, that's to activate your mid, and then if you wanted to activate the 2, that's where you leave it, and then to obviously engage it or turn it on, it's just done with that lever there. So fresh hour clock, brand spanking new machine. You can adjust your steering wheel just like so. Your revs is also controlled with this lever. Your key start is also done here. Lights, indicators, etc. all done through here. Brake, forward and reverse. So what I might do is here, I might just engage this BRM to give you a look at it. Very handy, so very quick and easy. Everything's on your right hand side to engage, and then to engage your blades then is just done with this lever right here. Other than that guys, that is pretty much a walkthrough. So as I said, 26 horsepower 3-cylinder, mid and rear PTO, grass tyres, loader ready, BRM 120 on the back of it, 4-wheel drive, hydrostatic, so just your forward and reverse. Very versatile tractor indeed, so whether that be obviously for a deck, a topper in the back, a hedge cutter, a Malone log splitter, it can pretty much run all of your smaller implements there, and then obviously loader if that's what you wanted as well, and the agri tyres as we mentioned. So that is a full walk through. I suppose I don't believe I missed that on that BX261, so you can call into the shop or ring any of us sales guys on 083 131 5178 for possibly a bit of pricing and more information, and plus warranty packages and finance offers. Trade-ins are also considered. So If you did enjoy this video, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you will get all the notifications for all new videos and walkthroughs that we will be doing in future. And if you have any suggestions of any tractor or lawnmower, anything that you see in the yard that you wanted a quick look at, I'll be able to do that as well. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and if you're interested, give us a shout.